might have edited your video and might have uploaded the video into the YouTube thinking that your job is pretty much done, and that's where you might think that there is something else, and that's of course the thumbnail. As far as the video is important, the thumbnail is much more important because that's the clicking factor, that's the clickable factor that the viewers see when you upload your video. That's the part where you viewers are actually seeing. Sorry for my bad English. So in this video we will be talking about how to make a pretty good, I'm not saying like a professional level thumbnail, because we will be doing this with the help of our smartphone and smartphone only. So let's get into the video, shall we? Let's go. Okay guys, so we are in my phone right now and we are going to use the application called Photo on Photo to edit our thumbnail. We are going to make our thumbnail. So we are going to add photo and selecting my previous thumbnails. Let's do with this one, and we will just add others. Let me just resize it. Okay, and we will just kind of like do on. So if you have other photos, just keep on adding them, and you might need to add photos related to this subject. So that we do. In my case, I am doing this for like to make you guys know how to do thumbnails, how I am doing the thumbnails. So for that I am kind of adding all the example photos I have, the previous thumbnails, and that's my logo. So I will just keep on like rearrange. I am just fast forwarding this video so that you won't get bored up, because this is kind of like a long video. So I'm actually trying to figure out a way to actually kind of do all these things together. And so even if you guys get like rearrange everything, and then it's the magics that happen. So you have to actually leave the bottom right a little bit like away from every like your photos or any. Try not to add anything to the bottom right corner, because I will just tell you that after I have done everything. And try to keep all your images like into the middle. Right now I'm trying to change the background to get an apt background, and actually I'm going to do with an image. So I have the YouTube image, and that would do the background pretty well. So I am going to rearrange everything else, and then everyone clicking this video will know that it's about the YouTube, and you will be adding like these are like thumbnails, and you can actually add a like a text saying about what your video is about right around the bottom part. So I am leaving that one, and I have actually saved this. So right now I'm going to open that with my file manager, and I'm going to edit the rest with my default photo application. So you have a photo viewer in your phone. I'm going to use one that's for me, and I'm going to use crop and rotate. Okay, that's where you have the ratio option, and the 16:9 is the ratio. As you guys can see, that's why I said you need to add everything into the middle of your photo, the thumbnail. So 16:9 is the ratio for your YouTube thumbnails. That should be the correct ratio. Right now I'm going to add the text, and I will just type out a thing like let me see, what should we do? Okay, how about we will make a awesome thumbnail using your smartphone. Okay, let me just give it as caps. Okay, something's missing actually. Make awesome thumbnails for YouTube. Okay, that would do. Okay, right now I'm going to rearrange that one, and like I said, you need to make that space around the bottom right. It's just because that's where the total time of your video shows, and just give it an awesome color, like an attractive color like blue will do most probably for me, and we'll just do that. So that's the after and before photos. So this is pretty much ready to be uploaded just after you upload your video. So when you upload your video, like I said in my previous video which was in Malayalam, so I will just try to do it here. When you upload your video, try to upload in private first, okay? Then after, if you have like a YouTube Studio app which I use, there is an option to add a custom thumbnail, so you can add the thumbnail just like this and then add descriptions and make your video look good. So right now you guys know how I edit my thumbnails. So maybe you guys have another like alternative method, say effective method. If you guys know something like that, please just leave that in my comment box. It would help other creators also. Like you all know, the YouTubers that actually search these kind of things will be pretty much like starting up starters, just like me. So that would be like a great information, because I actually wanted to tell you guys how I edit my videos, I edit my thumbnails. And usually you guys might know I also edit my videos using only the smartphone applications. So if you guys have any kind of like comments, any questions or queries or anything, just feel free to comment in the comment box. And if you guys like my video, you can actually watch my previous videos. I have done some kind of reviews which are in English and some other videos that are in my native language. And I will be actually doing both languages from this moment on, because I think I need to stand out more than just making a specific videos for like specific regions or for like a specific kind of people. So if I make my videos in Malayalam, only like my regional people will actually watch it, and I actually want to make my videos something like that all can actually use. So without further ado, we will see you guys in my next video. So stay tuned and bye.